Hey shippers, welcome back. In this video, we'll be going over the invoicing dashboard on the Freightcom platform and showing you how easy it is to manage your billing. Let's get started. The invoicing dashboard. To start, you can find the invoicing dashboard by clicking on the invoicing dashboard option in the Invoices tab of your main menu. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find your account's total outstanding balance listed in either Canadian or US dollars. You'll also see 4 tiles that offer an overview of all your invoices. Let's take a closer look at each. The upcoming tile shows all of your upcoming invoices listed in their respective currencies. Overdue shows any invoices that are past due. These need to be addressed as soon as possible. Urgent will show any invoices that need to be paid urgently. Failure to pay these invoices means that you risk being locked out of your account. Lastly, Paid shows an overview of all your paid invoices. You can filter this to list invoices within the last day, 7 days, or 30 days. Search invoices. Now let's have a look at the Search Invoices section of the invoicing dashboard. This function allows you to search your invoices easily. To really refine your search, you can click on the View More filters to add additional filter options. You can also remove all the filters you've applied by clicking Clear Filters right next to it. Pay invoices. You have the ability to select multiple invoices to pay at one time. When you click the Pay Invoices button or select Pay Invoices from the ellipsis under the Actions column, you'll be prompted with this pop-up. You can either use a credit card saved on your account or add a new card by selecting Add New Card. You can even add a nickname to each card for easy reference. Once you've selected your card, click Pay Invoice to complete the transaction. Downloading invoices. By clicking the drop-down arrow on the Pay Invoices button, you have the ability to select multiple invoices and bulk download them here. You can also use the ellipsis button to download or pay an individual invoice. View. If you want to view all the details of your selected invoices, simply click View. Currency options. This allows you to toggle the preferred currency in which you want your invoices to appear. You can select Canadian or US dollars or both. And that's everything you need to know about your invoicing dashboard. Be sure to take a look at all the videos to see other ways you can ship smarter with Freightcom. Thanks for watching this video. Happy shipping.